Is speed king? Novo and the quest for instant transfers. Ever feel like you're stuck in financial molasses? You need to pay a vendor, but that ACH transfer takes ages. Your client finally pays, but the funds aren't there when you need them most. Frustrating, right? In today's fast-paced world, waiting for transfers can feel like a business killer. That's where the question of instant transfers comes in. Can your bank keep up? And what about Novo, the popular digital banking platform for small businesses? Let's dive in and see if Novo offers the instant gratification we all crave. The case for instant transfers. Imagine a world where your transfers happen in a snap. You send money, and it's there. No waiting, no wondering, just pure financial fluidity. This is the dream of instant transfers. For small businesses, especially those operating on tight margins, instant transfers can be a game changer. Here's why. Faster payments. Need to pay a freelancer right away? Instant transfers ensure they get their money instantly, fostering better relationships and keeping your projects on track. Improved cash flow. Get paid sooner by offering instant transfers as a payment option to your clients. This can significantly improve your cash flow and free up resources for growth. Peace of mind. No more worrying about delays or failed transfers. Instant transfers offer peace of mind, knowing your money is where it needs to be, when it needs to be there. The reality of instant transfers. Now, before we all get carried away by the instant transfer utopia, let's face reality. True instant transfers, like those you might see with peer-to-peer payment apps, aren't quite there yet for business banking. But that doesn't mean there aren't faster options available. Novo and Express ACH, a speedier alternative. While Novo doesn't offer true instant transfers, they do have a pretty cool feature called Express ACH. Now, ACH transfers, automated clearinghouse, are the standard for electronic bank transfers in the U.S. However, they can take a few business days to complete. This is where Express ACH comes in. With this Novo feature, you can initiate same-day or next-day ACH transfers for a nominal fee. That's a significant improvement over the traditional ACH timeframe, giving your transfers a much-needed speed boost. Here's the breakdown on Novo's Express ACH. Availability. All Novo account holders have access to Express ACH. Speed. Transfers can be completed on the same day or the next business day, depending on the timing of initiation. Fees. There's a fee associated with Express ACH, typically 1.5% of the transfer amount with a minimum of 50 cents and a maximum of $20. So, is Express ACH the answer? Well, it depends on your needs. If speed is crucial and you're willing to pay a bit extra for the convenience, then Express ACH can be a valuable tool. However, if you're looking for a completely free option and can tolerate the wait time, then traditional ACH transfers might suffice. Beyond Novo, exploring other options. Novo isn't the only player in the game. Some traditional banks and fintech companies are starting to offer instant transfer options for businesses, often with limitations or fees attached. It's always a good idea to explore your options and see what best suits your specific needs and budget. The final word. While true instant transfers for business banking might still be on the horizon, solutions like Novo's Express ACH are a step in the right direction. They offer a significant speed boost over traditional ACH transfers, potentially improving your cash flow and streamlining your financial operations. Remember, the key is to find the right balance between speed, cost, and convenience. So, research your options, weigh the pros and cons, and choose the solution that best helps you navigate the fast-paced world of business. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.